Hey guys, I've been getting tagged in a lot of videos regarding, green card holders being deported. And essentially what's happening is they're leaving the United States, re-entering at a port of entry, right? Either flying back or coming back through a land border, and they're being denied entry and essentially expeditiously removed. And it's not everyone. So I want to clarify who this most likely is pertaining to based on an AILA practice advisory. AILA is the American Immigration Lawyers Association. And kind of an announcement they had made about who is being given some difficulty upon re-entry to the United States if they have a valid green card or had a valid green card. So essentially, there are two different groups of people. One is anybody who has a 10-year or a conditional green card who was issued a notice to appear in removal proceedings and deportation proceedings. Technically, they still have their green cards. They don't have them until a judge says that they should be ordered removed for whatever reason, and then their green cards might be taken away. So they're issued a notice to appear in immigration court. They still have a valid green card. They're leaving. They're re-entering. They're now in proceedings, and these people are getting put into secondary and sometimes expeditiously removed from the United States. Also, people who have the 2-year green card, the conditional green card, they filed the I-751 for removal of conditions, and that was denied. And they were issued an NTA, again, a notice to appear, but they got an I-551 stamp, which is essentially like a stamp extending the validity period and allowing you to travel. Traditionally, it allowed you to travel. Those are the groups of people who technically have valid green cards in hand who are being denied entry into the United States. I'm not saying it's okay, but I do want to clarify kind of if you just have your green card, even if it's conditional and you have no other issues, you're not issued a notice to appear, you don't have an I-551 stamp, like you're just using it to travel, you really shouldn't have an issue. But if you have been given a notice to appear, that could cause issues. When I say you shouldn't have an issue, I mean, presumably you haven't committed crimes, you haven't been outside of the United States for more than 6 months. I would not go even really at this point for more than 3-4 months, right, before re-entering. But I wanted to provide some clarity on who are these green card holders who are being deported or expeditiously removed from the United States.